How to find friends on Facebook by phone number or contacts. So if you want to find your Facebook friends by contacts or phone number, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And after opening, you can go to the upper right corner which has the three-barred icon. And then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. And then again go to Settings. And here if you scroll down and under Audience and Visibility or Media and Visibility, you can find Upload Contacts option. But if you don't find that option here, then you can go to the search icon which is on the upper right corner. And then here on the search bar, you have to search for Upload Contacts. And here on the first option, you will have Upload Contacts. Simply tap on that. And now you can choose Facebook. And now if you want to find friends on your Facebook using your mobile number or contacts, then you can simply turn this on. And after turning this continuous contact upload, you can find your contacts on your Facebook. And after that, you can simply add them and you can be friends. So that's it. That's how you upload your contacts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.